Okay, this morning I'm going to make a really quick video. We've been over most of this procedure in the two brazing videos that I made previously. So this time we're going to do a similar thing. We're going to weld a piece of carbide onto a piece of mild steel. And instead of brazing this time, we're going to use silver soldering to do that. So I've prepared the joint and I've got it held in place, and so I'm going to move the camera down to look at the work. So here we go. So we have covered most of this in a previous video. So I got some silver solder here, and so I'm going to put on some light brazing glasses here over my regular glasses, and we're going to get going here. I've put some of the high temperature flux on the joint, and we're going to use a light soft flame here to try to heat this up, although it looks like I could get it a little hotter. There goes the flux. Well, that should have it. Well, it looks pretty good. So let's see. I'm going to shut the camera for a few seconds, and we'll clean up the joint, see what it looks like. Okay, back again. I guess the camera's been on, so I'm gonna have to do a bit of editing here to get it to, but it is working. So in fact, it's working quite nicely. I can't get around the C-clamp very easy here, so I just use the C-clamp rather than try to mount the vise, but it is working very nicely, no problem at all. Try to come on this edge a little bit here. Okay, I think that's a do-gooder there. That should work just fine. Okay, so I'll call off now, and I try to get this edited because I left the camera on, so God knows how much. I got a few minutes of unused footage on there, so let me get this edited and post it. And that was looks like a very successful silver soldering job. So that changes my views on silver soldering. I've always figured brazing was stronger, but this looks really like a really good strong joint, and I don't have the flux buildup problems or anything else, and the high temperature paste type flux worked really well. So I'm quite happy with the whole thing. And this carbide tip sticks out there about twice as far as it needs to. So that's about, that piece of carbide could be half that size, or that piece of carbide could make 2 tips, because that's a lot of leverage against this joint here. And I put some pressure on it when I was scraping, and it seemed to work really well. So I have no qualms that this is going to be is going to work. So thanks for watching, and we'll get this posted.